5 proven ways to increase testosterone naturally. In school, we have learned about the female and male hormones. For male, testosterone is the primary and most important sex hormone. When a man is between the age of 25 to 30, it's a natural occurrence to experience a decline in testosterone levels. Maintaining a healthy level of testosterone is important to a person's overall health and well-being. The reduction of testosterone can negatively affect your body composition, and as you age, it can also result in weight gain. These tips below are natural ways to help you prevent a decrease in your testosterone levels. Number 1. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt the levels of hormones and chemicals in your body, which are essential to function correctly. According to a study, men who don't get enough sleep are reported to experience a drop in their testosterone levels. Further research has been made and has shown that a week of restricted sleep results in a staggering 15% decrease in daytime testosterone levels. Thus, it's important to maintain a healthy sleeping schedule. Make sure to get at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. Number 2. Exercise and lift weights. One of the most effective and natural methods of preventing lifestyle and health-related diseases is exercise. Interestingly, exercising can also boost your testosterone levels. It was revealed by a large study that people who exercise regularly had higher levels of testosterone. For obese men, new research found out that increased physical activity is more effective and beneficial for boosting testosterone levels than a weight loss diet. Weightlifting is a perfect exercise to boost your testosterone. Number 3. Avoid getting stressed. Long-term stress is dangerous and can result in several body problems. Stress raises the hormone cortisol, which manages various processes, such as metabolism and immune response. When your cortisol becomes elevated, it adversely affects testosterone. Testosterone and cortisol work in a seesaw-like manner. If one goes up, the other comes down. Stress and high cortisol can also boost food intake and weight gain, causing your body to store harmful fats around your organs. To optimize both your health and hormone levels, minimize stress as much as possible. Number 4. Maintain a balanced diet. What goes to your body hugely impacts on testosterone and other hormone levels. It is long since discovered that eating well is crucial in maintaining a good level of testosterone and overall health. Being overweight and having low testosterone levels may lead to various inflammatory conditions. Make sure not to overeat nor restrict your body calories for too long. The best way to go about this is to have a diet based mostly on whole foods. This way, you get to have a healthy blend of fat, protein, and carbs, which in turn optimizes your hormone levels and long-term health. Number 5. Minimize drugs and alcohol. Overconsumption of alcohol and drugs has been associated with lower testosterone. Alcohol use negatively impacts the hormones and glands in male reproductive health. Moreover, it can also lower down testosterone levels because of the adverse effects it has on your body. As a result, men may experience hormonal reactions and cell damage.